My name is Richard Parker. I am the Market Development Director for the ITEX Group. We are an IT service provider who architect, design, build and manage innovative technology solutions aimed at a client base who operate predominantly in an offshore environment. We have a broad base of customers across the Channel Islands and the Isle of Man, and the predominant industry that we serve is the financial services industry. But we also provide services to an emerging e-gaming sector, particularly in Guernsey, and as well as an e-commerce companies and a broad commercial sector. We provide a semi-private cloud insofar as much that we are offering a hosted service, a hosted infrastructure service in our own data centers, and we're targeting at clients who are, shall we say, particularly sensitive about the location and jurisdiction of their data. So in that respect, it is different from a traditional public cloud type service. The kind of customers that appeals to tends to be obviously customers who are sensitive about privacy and about the integrity and location of their data, which really means clients who are regulated in some form or another. We've been offering a service for a number of years, a managed service, a hosted managed services, predominantly a desktop service to remote clients. And as we looked at the industry, obviously the emergence of cloud was very interesting to us, and it was a natural evolution for these services to move to a more flexible and automated type cloud service from the point of view of efficiency and cost and overall scalability, both for ourselves and for our clients. So we got in touch with Flexiant, and we had a look at their offering and got engaged in discussions with them, which led to us eventually taking on the service. The big question for service providers like ourselves is, do you build it yourself or do you go out to the market and look for a commercial platform? And our original decision was to look at building it ourselves, and we embarked on a project to do just that. And we found quite quickly that the complexities and the investment required to build a robust platform which stands the scrutiny of a very informed client base was really an undertaking which wasn't really going to give us the kind of return, or we were able to do it in the timescales that would meet the market requirements. So we came to the conclusion that the best thing to do would be to go out and look for a commercial platform. That's how we got speaking to Flexiant. The reason we chose Flexiant there were really four reasons we chose Flexiant. Simplicity, so the platform itself had to be easy to use, and it needed to be scalable and flexible at a realistic price point. And finally, what really differentiated it for us was the billing software. So the ability to able to monitor and bill in a very granular level to the client base was of paramount importance, and something we didn't see in other systems that we looked at. So that was the key differentiator for us. The Flexiant platform, one of the benefits that we saw with it was its ease of installation, and we worked very closely with the folks at Flexiant, and we were able to implement both the hardware and software platforms and be up and running in a meaningful way in about 10 days. And that even surprised us because the general perception is that to build a platform and commission it is quite an undertaking, involving weeks and months. So it was good news to us that we could get up and running so quickly. One of the positive things that we've seen is that we're able to use the service internally ourselves, particularly for test and development type scenarios, and also our engineers are using it to build and test configurations for clients in a very safe environment. And what that means is that we're able to take to our clients with more confidence their configurations and the designs that we provide for them, and we can deploy them faster as well. At the moment, ITEX is offering an infrastructure-based cloud service on the Flexiant platform. Going forward, the industry is going to evolve, and customers will require more value-added type services, and certainly we intend to play very much in that space. And that really means services like platform as a service and software as a service type situations, which already we have the ability to layer those services on top of the Flexiant platform. And that will extend ultimately into fully provisioned managed services, whereby we can manage a complete infrastructure for a client in a very flexible and scalable way. In addition to offering our own cloud infrastructure service, ITEX will also be offering a turnkey package to those enterprises and organizations that want to deploy their own private clouds. And there is also a wide and very large reseller community out there made of systems integrators, software development houses and so forth, who we envisage will want to resell or white label cloud services. So for them, we can provide that on our own infrastructure here at ITEX, and that enables us also to scale our business. Being a reseller enables us as ITEX to be able to introduce more scale into our business. It widens our market base, it enables us to go into other jurisdictions, and it also allows us to build up an annuity-based revenue, which in this day and age enhances the value of our business. Success for ITEX is really about achieving a positive return on the investment we make. Obviously, we need to make money off this platform. But really, it's wider than that insofar as much that as a business, we have a remit to grow. And a platform such as the Flexiant platform and the reseller channel that we have available to us, it enables us to expand and seek out new market opportunities. Where we've saved money with the Flexiant platform has been in capital outlay. So when we originally looked at providing cloud services, the capital investment required was really quite significant and sort of was running into 7 figures. So the industry's evolved and Flexiant's evolved with it, and today to be able to build a fully commercial cloud infrastructure on the Flexiant platform is a very realistic proposition for a smaller business such as ourselves. And we can also scale that in a very controlled way as well. So that's really been a benefit to us. But also the actual time and resource commitment to get the platform up and running has been a lot lower than we originally envisaged. The differentiators with the Flexiant cloud platform for us has been the ease of deployment in being able to take to market a robust and fully automated cloud service in a very short period of time, and also at a very realistic investment. And from the customer's perspective, the ease of use and the ability to commission and configure, build and grow their own platforms has been very positive indeed, and the feedback that we've had has been universally positive. So we've been able to provide these services in a very cost-effective way, in a very efficient way, and the billing system has been also a great benefit to both ourselves and our customers insofar as much that they can monitor their own consumption and we can see the revenue profile. ITEX would recommend the Flexiant platform for the simple reason that it works, and also the fact that our customers love it. It's very fast to deploy, and the investment required to enter into the cloud orchestration market was realistic for us. And what we really like about the platform is that it's a very simple revenue model.